I'm going to install Moog C225 springs and KYB monomax performance shocks. We'll see what that'll do. Maybe we can get rid of the mom butt. I think the springs and shocks are original equipment. Takes almost nothing to move the car up and down, and I can actually bottom it out with just my body weight jumping on it. Right at 5.5 inches, measured this way. From the hitch to the floor is right at 15 inches with the original factory springs. Alright, side-by-side comparison. They're almost identical in length. KYB 565059 with a factory Toyota shock. Almost the same height. New one's a little shorter, but it's much bigger around. Okay, this spring is harder. I do believe that this spring and shock combination have the desired effect. It is certainly a lot stiffer. I don't remember what this measurement was, but we're at 6.5 here. Alright, as complete, we are at 16 and 1/8 or 1/4. I've been jumping on it, settling it down a little bit. But that's over 1 inch of lift on the rear.
Well, it's got some bounce.
Yeah, I think that's all of the front end though. All in all, with the help of one of my mechanic buddies, screwing around and talking a lot, it took us 1.5 hours. So you probably expect 2.5 hours in your driveway or something. Man, I wish I had had the money to put shocks on the front of my truck as well, but this thing, it feels amazing. Night and day difference, everything about it. I think it's definitely a good combination with the KYB mono struts or whatever and the C225, because this thing really, it just rides good now. And once the front end's fixed, I don't know, it's going to be brand new. Well, here my springs rolling around the back. Anyways, do it. It's not that expensive, a couple $100. Step 1 on how to replace springs on your 4Runner. Get born. Grow up. Get a job. Learn to drive. And save up $800. Buy a 22-year-old worn out vehicle. Step 2. Jack the motherfucker up. Remove the wheels and disconnect the sway bar. What's that say? That says Toyota. Alright, we're disconnecting the metal brake line to give us just a couple more inches of play. Look easy. Wow, it was so easy. That's amazing. Alright, we have the first spring in, and it went in very easily because there's not any tension on the other side. One thing that is important to remember is to line up the spring with the notches with the compressed part of the little rubber boot there, because apparently that helps you minimize noise when you're not replacing those like I'm doing. to get this spring in, we have to fight the spring tension from the other side that's already installed. So we're going to get a jack on the other end there and compress that spring a little bit to make this one easier to get in. Simple as that. That's amazing. Just got to put this bitch back together. Somewhat similar, but in reverse of how you took it apart. Don't forget to hook stuff up. And don't forget to put the tires back on it. And don't forget the stickers. Oh my God, the stickers are the most important part. Don't forget that. Peace.